If your Samsung phone is not vibrating at all, then in the next 2 minutes I will show you how to make your phone vibrate. Now if the phone does not vibrate at all, the first thing that you do is open the quick settings panel, pull it down, expand it, and make sure that do not disturb mode is disabled. If you enable it, then there won't be any vibration. The next thing is, in case if you have dropped your phone before, then check if the vibration motor present inside the phone is working or not. For that one, you have to open this members application, go to diagnostics, select phone diagnostics, and the testing of your phone will be started. Now the phone will test all the components present inside. So what you do is go back and stop the diagnostics, and from here only select vibration and then vibrate. Now if the vibration motor is fine, then you will hear and feel the vibration. Now once you know that the vibration motor is not the problem, then let us move forward what to do. If there is vibration problem only for a particular application, then you have to go to settings, you have to go to this option apps, and select that particular application which has vibration problem. Go to notifications and make sure that sound and vibration is enabled. But if there is no vibration for all the applications, then what you do is open the notification panel, and if you see there is this icon here, tap on it and make sure that you have selected like this one, which is for sound and vibration both. After that, the other thing that you will do is you will go to settings, you will go to this option sounds and vibration, go to this option vibration intensity, and you have to increase the volume for all the options which are available here so that your phone will vibrate. Now if nothing works, then the last option will be to factory reset your phone. Now this should be the last option, and you should back up your phone before you do factory reset. For that one, you have to go to settings, go to this option general management, go to reset, select this option factory data reset, and then you can see all the applications will be deleted, all the accounts will be removed. So if you are okay with this one, then select reset, and then you have to enter the password for your phone, and factory data reset will be done, and hopefully the phone will vibrate again. But the factory data reset should be the last option. Thank you for watching the video, and please comment in the box below which method solved your problem.